Nearly half the world population is estimated to have at least one major health issue or chronic disease. The healthcare industry is cashing in big by us being our most unhealthy selves. It's a real tragedy. But that's not going to be you. You're going to take these simple and easy steps to be healthier than 99% of people. I want you all to take a second and think about how great you'll feel and look after you implement these changes. Let's get started. First up, nutrition. The food you put into your body has a huge impact on your overall health. Let's explore how to optimize your diet. Step 1. Eat whole, unprocessed foods. Focus on consuming fruits, vegetables, lean proteins like chicken, fish, and plant-based options, and whole grains such as quinoa or brown rice. Avoid processed foods high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. These whole foods provide essential nutrients that can keep your body functioning optimally. And don't forget to include antioxidant-rich foods like berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are excellent choices to add to your breakfast or as a snack. Next, hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for your body's health. Step 2. Stay hydrated. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Water helps with digestion, keeps your skin healthy, and supports overall bodily functions. It can also help to control your appetite and boost your metabolism. Adding a slice of lemon or cucumber can make your water a little bit more enjoyable and provide additional benefits like vitamin C from the lemon. Herbal teas are another great option to stay hydrated, especially without those added sugars. Now, let's talk about physical activity. Regular exercise is key to maintaining good health. It boosts your mood, improves your cardiovascular health, and helps to manage weight. Step 3. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise on most days of the week. This can be anything from brisk walking, cycling, or strength training. The key is to find activities you enjoy so you'll stick with them. Yoga is also fantastic for both your physical and mental health. It enhances flexibility, builds strength, and promotes relaxation. Even just a few minutes of yoga can help you to feel more balanced. Another essential factor is sleep. Quality sleep is vital for your body's recovery and its overall health. It affects your mood, cognitive function, and physical health. Step 4. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each and every night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and keep your sleep environment cool, dark, and quiet. A bedtime routine that may work for you is to turn off all electronic devices, read a book, and practice deep breathing exercises. A consistent sleep schedule is also incredibly beneficial. Make sure your bedroom is conducive to sleep. Blackout curtains, a comfortable mattress, and a cool temperature can make a huge difference. Managing stress is also crucial for maintaining good health. Chronic stress can have negative effects on your body and mind, including anxiety, depression, and even physical ailments. Step 5. Manage your stress. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine. This could be meditation, yoga, or spending time out in nature. Spending time outdoors can also reduce stress levels. Whether it's a walk in the park, hiking, or simply sitting in your garden, nature has just a calming effect on the mind. Mental wellness and social connection play a vital role in overall health as well. Staying mentally active and socially connected can significantly enhance your quality of life. Step 6. Cultivate mental wellness and social connections. Engage in activities that stimulate your mind, like reading, puzzles, or learning a new skill. Maintain strong relationships with family and friends. Social interactions can boost your mood and provide emotional support. Find hobbies that you love and make time for them regularly. Creative activities like painting, playing music, or gardening can be incredibly therapeutic. Stay connected with loved ones, even if it's virtually. Regular communication with friends and family can reduce feelings of loneliness and enhance your emotional well-being. And finally, consistency and balance are key. Healthy living is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making sustainable changes that you're able to stick to for the long run. And there you have it, 6 steps to help you be healthier than 99% of people. These small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall health. What did you guys think? What steps are you going to implement today? Let us know down in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get notified about our latest content. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.